Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are here now to discuss chapter 11 summary. Chapter 11, or entitled Build a Small Network. Up to this point in the course, we have considered the services that a data network can provide to the human network, examine the features of each layer of the OSI model, and the operation TCP protocols, and look in detail at Ethernet, a universal LAN technology. The next step is to learn how to assemble these elements together is the function network that can maintain. So, small network topologies. The majority of businesses are small. It is not surprising then that the majority of networks are also small. The typical small business network is shown in the figure. So with small networks, the design of the network is usually simple. Then device selection for a small network. So factors to consider in choosing a device have cost, port, speed, expandable or modular, manageable. So cost to the cost of a switch or router is determined by capability and features. Then speed and types of port interface. Choosing the number of type of ports on a router or switch is a critical decision. And expandable network device come in both fixed and modular physical configuration. Then IP addressing for a small network. So location, sales, HR, legal, computer, server, and printer. Redundancy in a small network. Then data center. If one server fails, another is there to handle customer requests. Then links. If the links to one switch fail, the link to the second switch is still available. And switches. Redundant switches are present to avoid a switching failure. And then routers redundancy can help to ensure that application transaction received from external traffic can be handled in event of a router failure. Then types of threats: information theft, data loss and manipulation, and identity theft, and disruption of services. Physical security. Plan physical security to limit damage to the equipment, lock an equipment, and prevent unauthorized access from the doors, ceiling, raised floor, window, docks, and vents. Monitor and control closet entry with electronic logs. Use security cameras. Types of vulnerability. Types of malware, viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. Then reconnaissance attack. The discovery and mapping of system, service, or vulnerabilities. Access attacks. The unauthorized manipulation of data, system access, or user privilege. denial of service, the disabling or corruption of network system or services. Okay. Access attacks, denial of service attacks, and then the ping command, interpreting ping result. So using the ping command is an effective way to test connectivity. The ping command uses the internet control message protocol or ICMP, and verifies layer 3 connectivity. The ping command will not always pinpoint. Extended ping mode of the ping command. The Cisco iOS offers an extended mode of the ping command. Network baseline, then command show and command show commands revisited. So this figure is for show running config, and then this show interfaces, then show ARP, show IP route, and show protocols, and show version. The ipconfig command show in first. So here, this is the IP address for this computer and the subnet and default gateway. The ARP commands. ARP command is executed from the Windows command prompt. The ARP commands list all devices currently in ARP of the host. Then show IP interface brief command. In the same way that commands and utilities are used to verify a host, configuration commands can be used to verify the interface of intermediate devices. Then basic troubleshooting approaches. Network problem can be simple or complex and can result from a combination of hardware, software, and connectivity issues. Common and efficient troubleshooting methodology is based on the scientific method and can be broken into 6 main steps. Duplex operation. In data communication, duplex refers to the direction of data transmission between two. For best communication performance, two connected Ethernet network interfaces must operate the same duplex mode to avoid inefficiency and latency on the link. Then IP issue on iOS devices and on end devices. Default gateway issues, troubleshooting DNS issues. Then then in order to meet user requirements, even small network requirements, planning that and design. Planning ensures that all requirements, cost factors, and deployment options are given due consideration. An important part of network design is reliability, scalability, and availability. Networks must also be protected from network attacks. Network attack can be classified into three major categories: reconnaissance, access attack, and denial of services. So, this is the summary of chapter 11. Thank you.